open again very, very soon as we move to level 3 here at DKM. And so we thought we'd give you a little update on some of the projects because we're not sure quite when we're going to be able to do this next. So we'll go and have a look at my little Streeter S15 that we never quite finished off properly. So we've got the panels and everything back on. Everything obviously needs a paint. We've got the roof and the bonnet in white, everything else in various shades and grades of silver. And we've got this wing on the back, Specker boot, obviously needs a coat of paint as well, so we'll get everything all recomplied once we're back to probably level 2. Get it all back on the road and then we'll look at repainting it. Got Keg's car chilling outside here as well. And we'll just show you what we've been doing inside for the last 2 or 3 days. So this is the S14.5 if you can't tell. It's got the Plus T engine has gone back in. So Keg's been swapping over the gearboxes and turbo and everything for the last couple of days, and he's put my DET engine back in my car. How close are we? Alright, it's still going to be a while till I'm able to drive this thing. But hey, if we hadn't had this lockdown, we still would have been with this thing covered in rust, nowhere near ready on the reassemble end of things, whereas now we've just got stuff that Keg can not really take his time with, but sort of just do at his own pace. Doesn't need to set aside a full week or 2 at a time to get everything done. So yeah, we'll get there on this old girl. But now that we've put this one back together, so he didn't want to have this off the road for too long. The road, didn't want to have it not going.
Nothing worse than pushing a car around, does it?
Yeah, he hates pushing cars around. And obviously we want to be able to still have a bit of fun once we're able to head back out to track days. So he got straight into getting that engine in, and we're just going to go and have a little test in the paddock, make sure it's all good. You didn't flick me with any poo, but it sure does smell like you ran over a whole lot of sheep droppings and decimated them everywhere. That's good. Oh yeah? Put her panels back on, eh?
Yeah.
Put her back to bed.